What's up guys, this is Bansi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to give you some examples regarding rationalizing a two-term denominator. We had lesson 1 and lesson 2 earlier and we talked about rationalizing a two-term denominator. Now I'm going to show you more examples regarding rationalizing a denominator. First example is root 5 divided by root x plus root 2, and then we can say that we can multiply the numerator and denominator by conjugate of denominator, which is going to be root x minus root 2 time divided by root x minus root 2. That will be root 5 times root x minus root 2 divided by x minus 2. Next example is root x plus root 7 divided by root x minus root 7. Answer is root x plus root 7 divided by root x minus root 7 times root x minus root 7 divided by root x minus root 7. And then here we have, actually we needed to multiply it by plus because that's the conjugate of the denominator. So that makes it root x plus root 7 to the power of 2 divided by x minus 7, because it's root x to the power of 2, which is going to be x minus root 7 to the power of 2, which is going to be just normal 7. And if we want, we can expand this part as well, but I leave it like that. Next example is root p plus root 2 divided by root p minus root 2. Answer is root p plus root 2 divided by root p minus root 2 times, I need to multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, which is root p plus root 2 divided by root p plus root 2. That makes it root p plus root 2 to the power of 2 divided by p minus 2, because square root of p to the power of 2 is p, square root of 2 to the power of 2 is 2. Next example is root q plus root 10 divided by root q minus root 10. Answer is root q plus root 10 divided by root q minus root 10. Multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, which is going to be root q plus root 10 divided by root q plus root 10. That's going to be root q plus root 10 to the power of 2 divided by q minus 10. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.